Hello everyone, this is Priyanka. Welcome to my channel Automation with Priyanka. I will be starting new series on Postman, okay, for API testing. So very first in this video, let's understand how to install Postman on local machine and let's see how to use Postman for API testing. So this is the video where I will be covering installation part. So just focus. Very first, you can directly search here on Google Postman download. Okay. When you write this keyword, right, you will get this official web page, postman.com, and where you can see when you click on this, right? Basically, Postman is available in two flavor. One, with the help of directly web application, you can use Postman, and another one is a desktop version. So I will be using desktop version for Postman. So you can just click on this option. Now you can see as per your platform, okay, as per your platform, you can download the setup. So those are using Windows machine. You will able to see directly here Windows platform. So technically Postman is automatically selecting the platform for you or that application for you as per your platform. Even though if you can scroll down, you will see some other documentation. Here you can see if you wanted to download for Mac machine, it is asking you as per the Intel or Apple chip, you can download this Postman, right? So this is the official website for Postman, and we will see it later, okay, how we can refer documentation and all. But for now, let me just click on this button, right? I'm trying to download Postman on my local machine. And here you can see download will begin shortly. And if you can see here, it is started, right? So this is just a executable file and where we can double click and we can start our setup. Okay, so just have a look. Once it is downloaded, we can install it on our local machine. So first step is download Postman. Okay, great. And once it is downloaded, now you will get the setup, right, which is available in your local machine. So either you can open it in your folder once it is completed, or you can directly double click. Example C, if I just open in the folder and then this is the setup, I will double click on it, right? And as soon as you double click, now it will start. You can see installing Postman. And in the taskbar, it will open, okay? So click on the taskbar, that Postman icon, and then it will open. Great. So we got the first screen where it is asking you, okay, you can create either your free account. So you can write your email, you can share some details, and you can just create your free account, right? But guys, I will suggest you. Suppose you can create a new account. That is also perfectly fine. But I will suggest you go with your Google account. So you just need to click on your Google account, this option. So whatever practicals you will do, right? Everything you will able to save. And now it is asking me, right? That enter Google account detail. So let me add my email address. Let me enter my password. And now guys, let me just confirm it. Done. So you can just log in your Google account. Okay. Great. And now you will see this particular page, right? This site is trying to open Postman and say here what is written. It allows, like always allow identity getpostman.com to open links, okay, of this type in the associated app. So basically, I'm trying to open Postman through my local machine. It's like a desktop app, right? So we are just going to check the checkbox and just click on open. Now here you can see already my previous work is, saved with the Google account. And here you can see that Postman, right? So you can see it will ask me, okay, do you want it to allow it? Yes, allow this. And now you can see on this new machine also, whenever you have created previous account through the Google only, now see, all my workspaces, everything got saved, right? So I can access everything from the same Postman. And this is our Postman tool through which we'll be learning how to automate any APIs. I mean, how we can test APIs manually. So this tool is specially designed for the both the part. You can develop APIs through the Postman. Even you can test the APIs through the Postman. And especially for manual testing, we generally follow Postman tool, okay, for API testing part. Okay, we will see in the next session what exactly Postman it is and how to use it. Okay, so let me just um, stop this particular session. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much, everyone.